What is linguistics? Now we come on to the scope of linguistics, the boundaries, how far it reaches. So let's look at this. Linguistics cover a wide range of topics and its boundaries are difficult to define. So it's a very expanding branch of knowledge. Linguistics today is used in every field of knowledge. So it becomes difficult to determine its boundaries. So let's look at this circle and find different intra and interrelationship of linguistics. In the middle of this circle we find phonetics. Phonetics basically provide us the raw data to study a language. The phoneticians are concerned with providing the physical properties of language. Compared to the phonetician, the linguist is concerned more with the patterning of the knowledge or of the language. So, for the patterning of the language, we come on to phonology. So, linguist studies phonologies, the study of the sound of a single language or a language. Whereas in phonetics, we study sounds of language. So, over phonology, we have syntax. Syntax basically discusses the arrangement of words. It also discusses the internal structure of the words as well, which we differently discuss as morphology. But in syntax, we discuss the arrangement of the words as well as their arrangement into a structure. We discuss about words into phrases and phrases into bigger units. Then comes semantics. Semantics basically is the study of the meanings of the words, how these meanings are derived by the arrangement of the words. Then we come on to pragmatics. Pragmatics refers to the use of language other than the basic constituent like phonology, syntax, and semantics. We cannot understand any use of the language unless we combine them together. So, pragmatics tell us how the user has used the structure of the language. So, out of these pragmatics, we come across different disciplines like sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics links society with language. So, we discuss the language of a society. Then we come on to the anthropological linguistic. It studies cultures and evaluation of the language. Then we have philosophical linguistics. Philosophical linguistics studies language and the rational thoughts. Then we have stylistics. Stylistics is concerned with the study of language and literature. Then we have computational linguistics. In computational linguistics, we study computational problems like artificial intelligence. Then we have applied linguistics. The application of linguistic theories to teaching. So, in applied linguistics, we study the application of linguistic theories to teaching. Then we have psycholinguistics. Psycholinguistics links language with the mind. So, these are the cross-cutting edges or interdisciplinary branches of linguistics. However, the basic grammar of a language consists of three things: phonology, the patterning of the sound; syntax, how these sounds are arranged; and then semantic, how these arranged sounds give meaning. So any language in a broader sense consists of these three things. So these are the basic constituent or ingredient of any language. So rest of the branches are based on these three things.